I hail you, I worship you, I hail you, Most High. I truly hail you, I truly worship. I truly hail you, Most High. We hail you, we worship you, we hail you, Most High. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh Lord, my God. Thou art worthy to receive glory, for thou art great. Thou art clothed with honor and majesty. You cover yourself with light as with a garment. You stretch out the heavens like a curtain. You lay the beams of your chambers in water. You make it the clouds your chariot. You walk it on the wings of wind. You make it your angel spirit and your ministers flaming fire. You lay the foundation of the earth that it should never be removed. I join the 420 elders to worship the one that sat upon the throne. I join the 24 elders to worship the God that liveth forever and ever, casting our crowns before the throne, saying, Thou art worthy, O Lord, to receive glory. Thou art worthy, O Lord, to receive honor. Thou art worthy, O Lord, to receive power. For thou hast created all things for thy pleasure. They are and were created. I have breath, so I bow. I have breath, so I bow. I have breath, so I bow. I bow and worship the one that lives forever and ever and ever and ever and evermore. Hey, I hail you, Most High. I hail you. I worship you. I worship you. I worship you. I worship the one that is clothed with beauty. I worship the one that is clothed with splendor. I worship the one that is clothed with honor. I worship you. I worship you. I hail 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 you. Hey, manara bado shabadada. Ikato sataya baradado. Masanta yadosha. You are worthy to receive glory. You are worthy to receive honor. You are worthy. 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 Most High. Most High. Most High. Most High. Most High. Most High. I hail you. Thank you, Jesus.